How to unlock Outlook account without phone number. So if you want to unlock your Outlook account without phone number, then what you need to do is you need to just go with your Microsoft homepage. So you can search for Outlook at first and then go with Outlook login. Go with sign in, which is on the top right, and this will take you to the Microsoft sign in page. You need to enter your email address or your phone number or your Skype and click on next. After that, you'll receive a verification code to your email address. So if you don't have the access to your phone number, then it will send the code to your email address. And once you enter the code, your account will be logged in. So that's how you can unlock your Outlook account without your phone number. You can use your email address instead of your phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.